Well, Chris, I really want to appreciate you. But before we go, we're going to put you on a hot seat real quick. We're going to put Chris on the hot seat. So Chris, starting out, sir, what would you do differently?
Ooh, starting out, what I would do is I would focus, right? When I first started, I was focused on, wholesaling made the most sense, but then I'd have this guy talking about lease options, and I'd have this guy talking about rehabbing, and I'd have this guy talking about raising private money, and then I'd have this guy saying wholesale this way with this marketing channel, and then wholesale this way with this one. Yep. I would pick one, right? I would pick one and I would run full speed ahead, and I'd tune everything else out in tunnel vision and until I had success, and I'd move on. That's what we help people do with the Flip Team software. We get them focused, so they're focusing on one thing and then moving forward. And that's what I would do. It's a big, big game changer. A book you can read on this, very powerful, is called The One Thing by Gary Keller, and it'll help you get in the mindset and understand how powerful focus can be.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then what is one characteristic you believe every high achiever should have?
Commitment.
Commitment.
Yep. There's a lot of people out there that are interested, but they're not committed. They say, oh, I tried real estate and I was never successful at it before. It's because you were interested. You weren't committed. You're committed. You would have seen it through. Didn't matter if it took 6 months like it took me. Doesn't matter if it took 9 months like it took you. Doesn't matter if it took 2 years, like I've heard some people say, right? At the end of the day, it's, are you interested or are you committed? If you're committed, there's nothing that can stand in your way, right? Yep. If you're interested, anything can.
Anything can. Well, Chris, thank you so much. We'll make sure we have everything in the show notes. I really appreciate you being here, man. It was a pleasure to have you on the show. We will definitely have you again because we have some more information that we want to get out to the general public about what you're doing, because you're doing some amazing things in the wholesale arena. I knew you through another platform, through another group, and I was just amazed at some of the things that you were doing with cold calling. So thank you, sir. I really appreciate it. So in parting words, give us one word of caution or one word of motivation to keep us going and moving forward.
Action. Just take massive and consistent action. And that was really like 4 words, but the key word is action. And if you take action, you'll have the results that you're looking for.
Okay, guys, get out there, take massive action. You know exactly what to do. Chris gave you instructions. Let's move immediately to start taking action. I'm Marcus Maloney with my guest, Chris Logan. We appreciate you being with us on today. If you need any resources, remember, you can go to marcusemaloney.com. That's marcusemaloney.com. And also, we'll make sure we have our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram link down in the show notes below. And Chris, before we let you go, how can we get in touch with you?
Yeah, so what we'll do is we'll put some contact information below. If anybody is interested in the Flip Team system and they have questions on that, they can follow us on Facebook. I believe it's facebook.com/Flip Team. If you want to get in contact with me directly, you can send me a message, chris@𝒔𝒉𝒐𝒃.com. That's my real estate company. And any questions on Flip Team, support@flipteam.io. And that's how you can reach me. We'll post our YouTube channel below as well as other social media pages too. So that way you guys can find us on there and we can sharpen iron.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Chris. I appreciate it. You have a wonderful day, and we'll make sure everyone else have a wonderful day as well.